So, dear students, today we consider some trigonometric identities. We want to prove trigonometric identities. The problem is that we know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now you want to prove these three trigonometric identities. So, in triangle ABC, right angled at B and angle ACB equal to theta, prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Now you want to prove these three identities. Now we consider this right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, this is this one 90 degree here given. Right angle, this is 90 degree. Triangle ABC, right angle at B, this is 90. ACB equal to theta. ACB equal to theta. Now we have to prove this. Now we know if it is 90 degree, then opposite side is hypotenuse. If it is theta, if we consider this angle, then this is theta, means this is perpendicular and remaining is base. We know this. So this is a right angle triangle. Now you want to prove this. Solution. Since ABC, triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B, therefore by Pythagoras theorem, we have what we have. Pythagoras theorem, this is AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Perpendicular square plus base square equal to hypotenuse square. So we get AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. So we want to prove this. We can write this because this is the Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square, base square plus hypotenuse square. Now this is number 1 we consider. So dividing. So first we consider number 1, dividing both sides by AC square. We get, what we get, if we dividing both sides by AC square, then we get AB square by AC square, BC square by AC square, and this is AC square by AC square. So we divide both sides by AC square. Now this can be written as AB by AC whole square, and this can be written as BC by AC whole square, and these two will be cancelled, we get 1. So we can write this whole square, 1 whole square, we write this, we write this. Now this is AB by AC. AB means perpendicular by AC, hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, we know sin theta. And BC by AC, BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse, we get cos theta. We get this one. So therefore we can write this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, this equal to 1. So first one is done. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Hence proof. This is the proof. Now what is the technique to why we divide this both sides by AC square because our requirement sine cos. Sine means P by H. P by H, that means H in denominator, H means AC. So AC must be in denominator because our requirement sine. Next we have to prove this sec n 10. So if we want to write the 10 means P by B. P by B means B means BC. BC must be in denominator. So we divide both sides by BC square. We find 10 square, sec square minus 10 square. 10 means P by B. So B means BC. BC must be in denominator. Now you want to prove number 2. Dividing both sides of 1 by BC square, we get BC square we get. So if we dividing both sides by BC square we get, then AB square by BC square, BC square by BC square, this is AC square by BC square. So we divide both sides by BC square. Now we can write this AB by BC whole square, and this is BC cancel 1 AC by BC whole square. We can write in this way. Now AB by BC, AB means perpendicular, BC means base, perpendicular by base means 10. This is tan theta. And AC by BC, AC means hypotenuse, BC means base, hypotenuse by base means sec theta. So this is sec theta whole square. So this tan square taking on right hand side, 1 equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta, or we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta, this equal to 1. So this is number 2 we get. This is the 2. So hence proof. This is the proof. Now we want to prove cosec square minus cot square. Cot means base by perpendicular. Base is numerator, perpendicular is denominator. So BAB in denominator. So we dividing both sides by AB. So number 3 we consider dividing both sides of 1 by AB square. We get this is AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square equal to AC square by AB square. Now this will be cancelled. This will be cancelled 1. This is cancelled 1, and this is BC by AB whole square. This is AC by AB whole square. We get this one. Now one remains same. BC by AB. BC means this is BC. AB means this one AB. So base by perpendicular. This is cot. Cot theta whole square. AC by AB. AC by AB. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is cosec theta. So I get this is cosec theta, and 1 this is cot square theta, this one cosec square theta, and taking cot square on right hand side, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, this equal to 1. So taking this on right hand side, this one in left hand side. So this is our proof. Cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. So hence proof. So dear students, this proof is nothing, very easy. If this proof is easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.